How to change your name on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your name on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change the name on Facebook, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're basically going to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the three lines option from here and then just tap the gear icon again to come to the settings page. Now because of the Meta account center and so on, everything is a little bit confusing these days, but what you want to do is just tap the see more in account center option here once you're on this page. Now currently I have an identity confirmation running, which is why I will not be able to change the name, but if you have not any type of thing going on with your Facebook account, you can tap the personal details option here, and right over here you'll be able to find your name. The reason I'm not finding, and in my case you're seeing identity confirmation, because I have a verification process ongoing. For that I have to use my real name and I will not be able to change it, but if not, then you'll definitely be able to change the name right in this case. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.